Motor Vehicles Act has been amended by the centre. Once directions come from the centre, I am again repeating, we have to implement them. There is no compromise whatsoever. We have leverage only in some of the offences, like drunken driving, driving without license. We have no leverage to reduce the fine. And we will rather impose it more strictly, because I want total discipline on the roads. Now only one small concession has been made, and I think Honorable Chief Minister also has mentioned about that. Till we put our roads in reasonably good shape, because this year we had excessive rains, we have huge potholes. Never we had so much of rainfall, which everybody knows. Yet they blame the government. Okay, I accept it. It is a collective responsibility. Therefore, instead of implementing them immediately, the moment roads are repaired, and I think they will get repaired before end of November, or maybe by end of November, or even say December. So as and when they are repaired, whether December or January, we will implement the new Motor Vehicles Act. One thing I want to say at the same time, there is no connection whatsoever between an amended Motor Vehicles Act and the road condition. The two are not related at all. But as a moral responsibility of the government, we in the government feel for the citizens. When there are potholes, they cannot be negotiated. When he tries to avoid that and goes to the right all of a sudden, even a four-wheeler for that matter, there may be an accident, or he may be breaking the rule or not following the traffic rule. As I said in the function, I am reviewing everything. Overall improvement has to be there in the functioning of the department. So I am just gathering data. When I see all the data, when I compare everything, I will be taking a balanced view and then a right decision.
20 तारखेर GST काउन्सिलाची पयलेच खेप गोंयान बसका जाता. बसकेन खंय म्हत्वाच्यो गजाली थारपाच्यो आसात. GST मंडळाचेर गोंयचो वांगडी माविन.
सगळ्यांक खबर आसा 20 तारखेर GST काउन्सिल येदी व्हडली मीटिंग गोंयान जाता. फर्स्ट टाइम Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman ji येतली. Mr. Thakur, who is Minister of State, he will also be coming along with the Finance Secretary, Revenue Secretary, all the other officials of the central government. हे पयलेच खेपे गोंयान जाता. गोंयान जे निर्णय जातले सगळ्याहून व्हडले एजेंडा.
प्रुडंटा खातीर विक्रम नायक.